Welcome members to this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are going to see how we solve inequalities. All we need is we first create a zero, then we never lose a denominator. This is going to be exercise and work under these two. Now to create a zero here, we first take this sign, we shall be adding x over x minus 2, then minus 2 greater than 0. Set now equal to 0. Then from there, I cross multiply. This will be x minus 2 into x minus 2, the whole over x minus 2 greater than 0. When you open the brackets, I'll be adding x minus 2x, which will give me negative x, then negative, and the negative to get 4, the whole over x minus 2 greater than 0. Now here I am and I get my critical values. Critical values. How do you get critical values? You get this to 0, the denominator, so x plus 4 equal to 0. My x becomes 4. And also the denominator, x minus 2 equal to 0. My x becomes a 2. So you arrange them from big to small. So the biggest is this, then the smallest is 2. Now here you do what we call the analysis table. You draw your table. If you have two critical values, you draw 3 columns minus the column for this. So this I'm going to make the value of x. Here I want the sign of this negative x plus 4 over x minus 2. Then I analyze below 2, so x below 2. Then between 2 and 4, so between 2 and 4. Then above 4, above this 4, x above 4. Now, we draw our number line. If you have a number line, you know you have 2 and a 4. Below 2, there is a 1. When I put here a 1, so you see negative 1 plus 4. I'll be having a positive 3, but we are interested in the sign. When I put here 1, I'll be having 1 minus 2, I'll be having negative 1, but I'm interested in the sign. So negative made by positive, I have negative. Okay, between 2 and 4, any figure you want, you can take 2.8, 2. But now I'm seeing there is a 3 between 2 and 4. When I put here a 3, up I have a positive. When I put here 3, I have 3 minus 2, which is positive 1. So I have also positive down. So positive, I have a positive. Above 4, so any value above 4 here, you see above 4 you have one which is 5. When I put here 5, up I'm going to be having a negative, while down I'm going to be having a positive. So positive, negative, I have a negative. But now when I come to my inequality, it shows me the sign I want is the sign greater than 0. Signs which are greater than 0 on the number line are the positive ones. That's why my solution is going to be the one whose sign is positive, because this one returns me greater than 0. Greater than 0, those are positive values. So there, my solution is 2 less x less 4. The other hint is, if this is negative, these ones are going to alternate from negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, if we are in inequalities. Okay, so members, from here we come to this one. Now still we have to create a 0. So in creating the 0, I first take this inside, I have x minus 1 over, and expand this, I have x squared minus 3x plus 2, then minus 1 less or equal to 0. I create a 0 first. Now, from here, of course, multiply. We are in x minus 1, then minus into x squared minus 3x minus plus 2 less or equal to 0. The whole thing over. Now I convert this to this as x minus 1 into x minus 2. If you simplify there, you see we shall be having negative x squared, then plus 3x plus this x, you get 4x then minus 2x, minus 2, and this you get minus 3, the all over x minus 1 into x minus 2, less or equal to 0. You see now, to get critical values, we say you equate this to 0, when I equate this to 0, I get x equal to 1. When I equate this to 0, I get x is equal to 2. To get critical values, you equate both the denominator and the numerator to 0. When I equate this to 0, I'll be having x squared plus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So of this is that I get x equal to 3 and x equal to 1. 1 is already here. So then I get them from it small. I have 1, 2, 3. Now I draw a table like this. So this is x. Then the sign of this, the sign of negative x squared over x minus 1, x minus 2. Then I analyze below 1. So x below 1, between 1 and 2, x between 1 and 2, then between 2 and 3, x between 2 and 3, then above 3, x above 3. So that's how we draw those tables. So if you have 3 critical values, you have 4 columns. Okay. Below 1, so you draw your number line like this. 1, 2, then 3. So below 1 there is 0. When you put here 0, this will be 0, 0. Up you have a negative over. You put here 0, you have a negative. You put here 0, you have a negative. So negative and a negative, you get a positive. Then negative divided by positive, you get a negative. And in inequalities, if this is a negative, this is going to be positive, this is going to be a minus, this is going to be a positive. How do we get this? You say between 1 and 2, you see between 1 and 2 you have 1.5. When you put here 1.5, 1.5, this one is going to give you a positive. This one is going to give you a negative. So now we are going to be having a negative. When you put here 1.5 and here 1.5, this one up you are going to be having negative also. So negative, negative, that's why we are getting a positive. Now, because the sign was less or equal to 0, it means that we are interested in the negative signs. Why? Because for them to be less than 0, they should be negative. So we want negative signs. So we have this and this. Therefore, our solution there will be x less than 1 and 2 less x less 3. Negative, negative. Why? Because of this less than 0 means negative. But we have a possibility of equaling 2. Now, because this one is from a denominator, I can't put here equaling 2. Because when x is 1, this will be undefined. X is equal to 2 is also from a denominator, and I put x equal to 2, it's undefined, so I can't put here equals. But you see this 3 is from up, so I can put there x equal to 3. So members, I wish you the best. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.